Hello everyone. So today in this video I'll explain my experiment number 4 in which we have to make a CRC card model for a student who is going to enroll in the university. So first of all, CRC stands for Class Responsibility Collaboration, and it shows the different classes and their responsibilities. Like these are the classes, like the enrollment, the student schedule, the seminar, student, professor, building, and the room. These are the classes for which a student have to enroll in the university. For that we required some of the classes. Then these are the classes, and in this section we write the responsibilities, like and the first step is first we have to identify, okay, the entity, the first entity, uh, which initiate the use case. Then here it is enrollment, you can see here in other classes it is room, the building. And in the this section we write the responsibilities, like what are the responsibilities under that class, that it contain the name, the marks, the final grade, and the seminar. And in the right side we write the collaboration classes, like the class which is collaborating to another class, as the CRC stands for class, and their responsibilities, and the what other classes they are collaborating with. So this stands for CRC. And like for the enrollment, then it is collaborating with the seminar class, then we go to seminar class. Then what are their responsibilities, like the name of the seminar number, in the batch, like it is the morning batch or the afternoon batch or the night batch, like that. And what is the fees of that seminar. Then if another student wants to enroll in the seminar, then we can add the student. Then if any health issue or any another issue, student is not able to attend the seminar, we can drop out the name of the student. Then this seminar class also collaborate with the student class and the professor class. The student class is like the responsibility, like the name of the student, the address, the age, the mobile number, the marks, and the email ID. And the seminar list, like what all the seminars he or she is going to take. Then this student class also collaborate with this enrollment class that I explained here. Then in this seminar it also collaborate with the professor class. So the professor class have the responsibility, like name of the professor, his address, the mail ID, the phone number, and the salary. And the seminar instruction, what kind of seminar he or she is going to take, in the what time, and all that instructions in the seminar instructions. And also, yeah, the professor class collaborate with the seminar class. Like basically CRC represent the classes, okay. It represent the classes and what are their responsibilities, okay, what are their responsibilities, and what other classes they are collaborating with. That's all which stand for the CRC. And yeah, the another class was the room. Then the responsibility, like in what building the room is present, like what is the room number, and the type of the room, like it is bedroom, restroom, or kitchen, or any hall type room, big room, like that. What is the type of the room. Then the time required for the seminar, like how much time is required for taking the seminar. And the room class collaborate with the building class, and the building class have some responsibility, like the building name, the rooms it is containing, and the names of room that are occupied for the seminar. Then yeah, it is collaborating with the room, and the room is collaborating with the building. So, and this is a small class, like student schedule, the responsibility, like the student. And student can collaborate with the this class can collaborate with the like seminar class, the student, professor, and the enrollment class. So that's it for the class responsibility check, means. And it contain like three components, like the class, the responsibilities, and the collaborator, as the name suggests, the class responsibility check. So yeah, that's it for in this video. In the next video I'll explain my experiment number 5, in which we have to make a state diagram for this given example. Okay, so thank you for watching.